Hello again, welcome, please come in. This is my workshop. In this area here you can see instruments that are finished. Some of them are mine, some of them are research, and some of them are for sale. This pile of plans here are drawings either from museums or drawings that are made from paintings. The molds for making lutes. Upstairs I keep the wood that I will use for making instruments. This large table here is the one I use for laying out plans, taking measurements and making roses as well. In this cupboard I have a lot of facsimiles of music. And this is my tool, cupboard. This first drawer has just the chisels. We'll make a video about my tools one day. In this area I keep the bits of the instruments I'm making. There are 3 instruments here. That doesn't really look like it. And this is my workbench, a solid table made of walnut. And well, see you in the next video. Goodbye.